What if I told you a simple 50-cent coin from 2013 could be worth up to $5 million? Sounds unbelievable, right? But collectors around the world are searching for a rare version of the 2013 Kennedy half dollar that could change everything. Before you spend your coins, watch this video till the end. Background story. The John F. Kennedy half dollar was first introduced in 1964, shortly after President Kennedy's tragic assassination. It quickly became one of the most iconic coins in U.S. history. Fast forward to 2013. Millions of Kennedy half dollars were minted, but very few people actually used them in circulation. That's where things get interesting. 2013 coin is special curious tone. The 2013 P Mintmark coin from Philadelphia Mint is usually common, but some collectors claim there are extremely rare error versions and high-grade specimens that could be worth huge money. We're talking about perfect MS-70 condition coins, rare minting errors, special finishes or anomalies. These are the types of coins that auction houses go crazy for. The $5 million claim. Host dramatic pause. Now let's address the big question. Is this coin really worth $5 million? The truth is, there is no confirmed sale of a 2013 Kennedy half dollar reaching that price. However, coins with unique mint errors, historical significance, perfect grading, have sold for thousands and sometimes millions of dollars in rare cases. So where does the $5 million story come from? It's often viral internet claims, misleading listings, or speculation about a one-of-a-kind error coin. How to check your coin. Host helpful tone. If you have a 2013 Kennedy half dollar, here's what to look for. Mintmark P Philadelphia. Check for errors, double strikes, off-center design, missing details. Look at condition, no scratches. Sharp details, mirror-like finish. You can also get your coin graded by companies like PCGS or NGC. These organizations certify coins and determine their real market value. Warning to Virsa. Host serious tone. Be careful, not every coin you see online is worth millions. Many people fall for fake listings or exaggerated claims. Always verify with experts. Compare real auction results. Avoid scams. Energetic. So, could your 2013 Kennedy half dollar be worth a fortune? Maybe if you're extremely lucky. Check your coins today, you might be holding hidden treasure. Like this video. Subscribe for more rare coin discoveries. And comment below, have you ever found a rare coin? Extra tips for your video. Use zoomed coin visuals. Add dramatic sound effects. Show real auction screenshots. Keep packing fast every 5-8 seconds.